Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade.
Alright, in this video, I'm going to explain how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrade. So I'm going to show you all the steps you should be taking, right? The first things, of course, is you want to be serious about the market. You want to be serious for success. Okay, that being said, that you're serious for success, what you want to do is you want to have a Twitter account and a YouTube account. So as for your Twitter account, you want to have a profile pic. So this is a profile pic over here. And that could be of stock charts, success, or a picture of yourself. Okay. The second thing you want to do is you want to know what I'm about, right? You want to basically go to my YouTube channel. And here's the link right over here. Let me click that. So we're going to click that link. We're going to go there, okay? So once you get to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, okay? From that link I showed you, or find it yourself through typing it. You want to study my created playlist. You want to check out some of my videos, understand my style, how we do things, you know, the confirmation, how we get into the options, the process. And then you should look through it in your charts. You should really understand what's going on, right? So that you can come into my group and make money by taking new plans and succeeding, right? But you got to be serious for success, right? I don't want just anybody in the group. Now, that being said, the next thing I want to tell people is you should have a profile pic. Give me 1 second here. All right, I talked about the profile pic. Now, you should have the same profile pic for your YouTube channel as well, for your YouTube account, so you can make comments and so on and so forth. Then what you want to do is you want to send me a message telling me why you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Now, you could send me a message on Power Trigger Trade, right? Or you can do it on Power Group Trades. So you type in here Power in the search, Power Group Trades. Power Group Trades, right? And basically then you send me a message. Select it. You send me a message. Oh, this is open right now. Give me 1 second. F9. So you send me a message telling me why you want to become a member. Tell me about yourself. You know, tell me your story, right? Because a lot of people have to understand that a lot of the reasons why they are not succeeding is that they're their own enemies to themselves. You're your own enemy to yourself, right? And if you don't understand that, then success clearly will not be yours. I have a lot of experience in the market, okay? Greater than 20 years experience in the market. I've been dealing with many, many people. And the issues are the same. There's a lot of mental issues, okay? But being in my group and having someone like myself help you, guide you, give you the right motivation, detailed plan structures, you will succeed in my group. But I only want those serious, and most people are not serious for success. They will be failures. Simple as that. The market is for the few. Listen carefully, people. The market is for the few and not the many. So just follow those simple instructions. Send me a message. Tell me why you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. And if you do all the right things, it's going to be very easy to get into the group. But if not, you won't be in the group because you're definitely not serious for success. You're not able to follow simple instructions. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. At the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I hope to see you inside of Power Group Trades and share your success story like a lot of my other members who have sent me gifts out of appreciation and happy to be a member inside of my group. Power Group Trades. Hope to see you there.
Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade.